Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for your half-yearly exam. First, begin by thoroughly understanding your exam's format and the entire syllabus. Next, dedicate time to reviewing all fundamental concepts, ensuring you grasp the core principles. Finally, make problem-solving a regular part of your study routine to build confidence and application skills. This structured approach will set you up for success. To truly excel, focus on understanding the why behind each physics concept, not just memorizing formulas. Utilize diagrams, graphs, and other visual aids to clarify complex ideas and processes. Always try to connect new information with what you already know. This strengthens your overall comprehension. A deep conceptual understanding is your foundation for solving diverse problems. When tackling physics problems, start by breaking them into smaller, manageable steps. Clearly identify the given information and what you need to find. Select the appropriate formulas and apply them with precision, paying close attention to units. After solving, always review your solution, even if correct, to understand the process and learn from any errors. This practice refines your analytical skills. As the exam approaches, create a structured revision timetable to cover all topics efficiently. Practice solving past examination papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment and improve your speed. On the day before the exam, prioritize getting adequate rest. A fresh mind performs much better. Stay calm and confident, trusting in your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.